namhlanje lalelani. Hi Donna, hi Saki, and hi 326 Express. I am a lady aged 30, a teacher at a private school in Harare. I am the firstborn Kumbakwedu, and I can safely say Ndini breadwinner. I pay fees for my siblings and take care of both our parents. So it just happened one day that a parent gave me money as a gift. It was the mother of one of my students who hasn't been performing well at school. At the time that she gave me the money, I was in a fix. I needed the money for my mother, who was admitted in hospital at the time. She needed medication, so I took it, knowing Anguku Kubasa we were told to declare the gifts we received from parents, which I never did. So this lady continued paying me, and her intention was that I could fix her child's results, which I did. She said it was so that she could tell Baba vemwana ku UK kuti mwana arku gona, so he wouldn't change mwana to a cheaper school as he had proposed. So she called me last week saying the father had come back from the UK, and while assessing and playing with his child, he figured out something wasn't right. The child's performance and grades jaisa fambirana. So he threatened to come and find out what was going on kuchikoro. The mother said I should stay calm. She will pay the headmistress to cover the case. But I don't think the headmistress is the type to do so. And now I don't know what to do. What should I do, Vedari? Should I come clean so I don't lose my job? Will the headmistress understand? I really don't know what to do. Please help.
So if I got the what's right, mubereki amai vaindibhadhara teacher kuti vafixirwe report yemwana,
yes,
so that inotumirwa ku UK kuna baba iri ina good grades.
Mm-hmm.
And then baba vaya kunova kutamba nemwana wako ona kuti hazvisi
kufambirana.
Okay. And then the mother is saying, Baba wakauya, keep calm, ndicha sota headmistress.
Mm-hmm.
Anza mosha ibvumwe, that's all I can say. And this one says, mosha, okay. Vanhu vanopara mosha vakarivara, tichavasunga. Okay. Anzi tsvaga rimwe basa pachiine time, because wakabhaiza. This should be criminal.
Yeah.
It is. So, yeah. Hopefully, I know, like, the best case scenario is kutongodzingwa basa. That's the best case scenario. Zvimwe zvacho zvitori worse than that. So, she's thinking, oramba akanyarara here, amai havati, iwo nyaramba wakadzikama chete, ndichasota headmistress. And she, knowing her headmistress, does not think the headmistress is that type of a person.
Yeah.
What do you think, Saki?
Ooh, I think, you know what? She'll just have to go ahead and come clean. Because if she doesn't, then the consequences of that are a bit more brutal than they are if then this case comes out in the open.
Yeah.
Which I think it will. And this father is determined to find what exactly is wrong with the child, and already going to the headmistress, then it's a whole investigation. And now, obviously, then there'll be assumption that this is not the only case. This is not the only time that she's done this. Maybe she has been doing it with other parents. So I think if she can just come clean and state her story and mention what happened and receive the consequences as they are, and move on from that.
Yeah. Anzu yati kubatsire anzi munhu wese muZimbabwe is that person. Saka usatye zvako head vakaiswa mari muhomwe vanongonyarara hapana nyaya apa. And then this one says, where have we gone with our ethics as Zimbabweans? Yeah. And I think the teacher should go to the headmistress before the parents do that, and then ombuno assess the situation. Hi, you are live on Star FM.
Hi,